Black Panther Wakanda Forever all-female royal guard, the Dora Milaje, led by General Okoye, was on duty protecting the red carpet at the world premiere of the much-anticipated new release from Marvel Studios. You see this amazing car behind y'all.
Crazy.
Yes.
That is, Lexus always come through though.
I would definitely drive away immediately. Yes, don't hand me the keys.
In its third collaboration with a Marvel Studio property, Lexus is debuting a new marketing campaign, teaming up with the squad of Wakandan warriors called An Electric Future, featuring the luxury brand's first ever battery electric vehicle, the Lexus RZ 450e.
So the Lexus RZ is fully electric and our most advanced vehicle yet. We want to come out with it in a big way, and so what better way to do that than with the partnership of Black Panther?
Well, I mean, what I loved about it is that, of course, it is the future. It is the next gen. It is thinking beyond and taking care of the planet at the same time. And that does feel like the Dora Milaje, and it does feel like, the world of Wakanda.
We're able to really tap into Danai's character and to be able to bring something to life and actually kind of highlight our new electric vehicle, which is the other star of this particular spot.
The audience follows the elite trio as they nimbly navigate pursuers in the Lexus RZ, coming to dealers in early 2023.
When we think about the connection that the Dora have with the RZ, there is this premium level of power and elegance that come together that's unmatched.
As Lexus's first global electric vehicle, the all-new 2023 Lexus RZ 450e embodies the unique Lexus vehicle design and driving experience made available through advanced electrified technology. The direct 4 all-wheel drive system and the adoption of a new steering control and available steer-by-wire system enable vehicle control that is more true to the driver's intention.
I treated it like introducing a new character into the Marvel universe, right? So when I saw the car, you see it and you start thinking of all these ideas, and the story kind of builds itself together. Introducing this car to the Marvel universe was quite extraordinary.
They're part of the franchise at this point. They are part of Marvel DNA, quite frankly.
It had 0 emissions, so what's the downside?
This is Jasmine Simpkins in Hollywood, California.